good. Okay, well, I've just started the broadcast. Do you guys want to just talk about, you want to just go over the preparation really quick, and then I'll stop the broadcast and we can discuss the quiz?
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay. Did you guys have any trouble with this lesson?
Looks easy, but then looks kind of easy.
Well, you know, I thought it looked easy, but then I thought a lot of the stuff we learned in the last couple lessons was easy, but the way it was worded on the test confused me.
There you go.
That test was not fun. It was.
Oh, I did horrible.
That's the point. I didn't understand questions. That's why I couldn't answer. Because we were texting each other, and you were saying about the SPSS not getting, I thought at least they know what they are doing. I didn't understand, and then I feel overwhelmed, and it's worse, and I lose there. I lose. And then
I'm gonna shut my door. Hold on, my family's kind of being loud.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think the wording is what threw me off.
Yeah, the problems are stay different than the regular exercise we do.
Right, right.
Because I can understand my homeworks, and I really do, because I know it's important, and then compare and things like that. But yeah, that was the. Now this looks nice, but
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, should we just go over part 2?
Okay.
Just go over part 2. I mean, you want to say the answers, Petty, and if Morgan and I have something different, then we'll chime in and we'll say.
Well, I found that correlation coefficient between head length and body length on the carrier crocodile is 0.986.
Yes.
Okay. 2, I don't know how to pronounce that.
Covariance.
The covariance of the head length and the body length of the crocodiles is positive, is linear, is strong because it's close to 1.
Right.
Do you agree? Then it says create a scatter
plot. Did you do the formula for the covariance?
For the covariance?
So the coefficient is the one that's the one that's closest to either -1 or +1. The covariance is R, which is the coefficient,
okay,
multiplied by the standard deviation of X and the standard deviation of Y.
Oh, Y, yes. No, I didn't do that. I just observed the scatter plot. That's where.
Oh, okay.
I need to apply the formula.
Right.
Is that right? Okay.
And I just did it in SPSS. I just got the R value, the coefficient, and I just used those 2 standard deviations in SPSS and just multiplied all 3 of those variables together to get the covariance.
How much you got?
I got 1,534.
1,534. Okay, I will try again, and then.
What would you get, Morgan?
1,534 is what I got.
Did you notice that you round down on this one? You don't round up.
Yeah, I found that interesting. But yeah.
You know what? When I was going over the test with Sister Cook, there was an answer that I put on. I can't remember what it was. The answer was 28, and I put 29, and it gave it to me. So I think it was because it was a rounding thing, but it was one of those whole numbers, and they gave it to me. She goes, "Oh, we're just going to give it to you." They gave it to you.
Okay. Morgan, you always Your house always sounds like it's a party there. It's a happy place to be.
There's a lot of people here a lot.
But that's good. People around is good.
That is good.
Yeah. Okay, 3. Create a scatter plot representing the relationship between head length and body length of the guardian crocodile. Well, the thing is, I just did like that, and
yeah.
Okay. Now, discuss the relationship you see in the scatter plot between the two sets of that I don't know. I haven't done that.
So it's just what you said, the positive, strong relationship, because when one goes up, the other one goes up. That's what the positive is as the head length as the body length increases, so does the head length. They both increase together.
Okay.
That's what causes it to go up.
When it's positive, no? Okay.
Right. So when it's negative, one goes up and one goes down. Isn't that correct, Morgan?
Yeah. And I found that because, we will discuss that when we finish this. Yeah, on the quiz. Yeah, on the homework.
Okay. You guys ready to go to the quiz?
Yeah.